students, welcome again to my channel DNA.12 Education. Today we are going to discuss a new topic in physics. That's about optics. The topic is lens refraction. Okay, let's start studying. Okay, what is refraction? Refraction is the change in the direction of light when it passes from one medium to another. Look at the diagram. There are two types of lenses. The first is convex lens or converging lens or positive lens, and the second is concave lens or diverging lens or negative lens. Convex lens or converging lens refracts light inward to one focal point. Rules for drawing ray diagram in convex lens. Number 1. Ray parallel to the principal x-axis will pass through focus behind f2 after refraction. 2. Ray passing through focus of 1 will become parallel to principal x-axis after refraction. 3. Ray passing through optical center will emerge without deviation. Note for convex lens. The formula, D accent is D times F over D minus F. M equal F over D minus F or H accent over H. That's very clear. D object distance, D accent image distance, M magnifying, H object height, and H accent image height. Note for convex lens, all focal length is always positive. If the accent positive means image form real and inverted, otherwise negative, virtual, and upright. Next, concave lens or diverging lens. A concave lens is a lens that passes at least one surface that curves inwards. Rule of drawing. Number 1. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis of the concave lens appears to be coming from focus after refraction through the lens. Look at the diagram. That's very clear. Rule number 2. Ray of light passing through the optical center of the concave lens goes straight after refraction through the lens. Okay. Note for concave lens. The formula is same like convex lens. The accent D times F over D minus F, M equal F over D minus F or H accent over H. Several notes for concave lens is 1. All the value focal length is negative and the accent is negative means image form is virtual and upright. Okay students, that's all the explanation about the lens refraction. Now your time to do the practice. Okay, to make sure everything's clear, practice now. Okay students, today you are going to discuss about the convex lens. As you know, the convex lens is positive lens. convex lens is the positive lens. Okay, there is one question. The object distance is 5 cm and focal length is 2 cm of convex lens. Find image distance and magnifying scale and try to draw the image. Okay, you're going to try the answer about the convex lens. How to answer the convex lens. Okay, take a look to my working and try to understand. Answer. Okay, students, the first is we are going to find image distance. Image distance equal D times F over D minus F. Equal D is 5 cm times 2 cm over 5 cm minus 2 cm. So 10 centimeter over 3, and then we can simplify 3/3 centimeter. That's the accent. Very easy, right? Now is M. M equal F over D minus F. F is 2 cm over 5 cm minus 2 cm. 2 over 3 centimeter over centimeter cancel, and you got 2 over 3 times. Okay, students, this is the calculation about finding the image distance and magnifying scale. You can find that M is 2/3 times, so the height is reduced in height. So image form is real. How you know real? Because this one positive. And then inverted and reduced in height. How you know? Because the M is 2 over 3 times. If M equal 1 means the height constant. Same. But if M less than 1 means reduced in height. But when M more than 1 means increase in height. Clear, students? Okay, now we go to the next topic. How to draw the image height and how about image distance on drawing? Come on. Because of this convex lens means the positive lens, you have to put the sign here positive. F1 and this one is 2F1. The distance must be equal. Okay? And the other side is F2 and this one is 2F2. The length must be equal. Okay, by using the measurement of the length, the distant object is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay, you can take the approximation. This one is 2. This one is 2. So it means here is 4 centimeter. So when the the object distance is 5 centimeter, so you have to put the object here. That's around 5 centimeter, right? That's around centimeter. That's the object distance. Now we are going to start drawing. The first way of drawing, you have to remember rule number 1. X-ray parallel to x-axis will be reflective to F2. The first rule. And the second is the ray passing through F1, right, will be refracted parallel to x-axis. Okay, is it clear? Now we have the intersection here. This is the intersection, right? Intersection. So the image distance is here. The intersection is the head of the object, the head of image, sorry. If here is the height of the object, means here is the height of the image. Look at the object, right? Upright, but image is inverted. So, image form one, upright, inverted. Two, that's real. And number 3, the height is reduced. So number 3 is reduced in height. Is it clear? That's the convex lens. Thank you very much.
From John Paul School, and I will start my 7th grade this year. I've joined QPC course since January 2020 with Mr. Jasper as my course tutor. Mr. Jasper did not only teach me the proper techniques of both maths and mathematica, but he teach me how to learn independently and how to stick into a problem to find ways of solving it. The course materials were good and it's based on my school curriculum. And the mentor approaching is also good. During the pandemic of COVID-19, we studied via the internet and it's also good. And I think Mr. Jasper is very good and it's a solid course. I learned a lot. Thanks, sir.
Hai, nama saya Cassius Nathanael. Saya adalah seorang siswa kelas 6 SD Penabur Harapan Indah Bekasi. Les di Bimbel QPC sangat menyenangkan karena konsepnya fun learning. Cara mengajarnya pun asik dan tidak membosankan. Selama les di bimbel QPC, saya menjadi lebih mudah untuk mengerjakan soal-soal matematika. Karena di sini kita akan diberikan rumus-rumus jitu yang mudah dipelajari. Oke, salam.
Halo, salam pelajar. Nama saya Pascual Clayton. Saya siswa Kolese Kanisius angkatan 21. Saya di sini untuk memberi testimoni saya mengenai proses belajar saya di QPC selama masa karantina lockdown ini. Pertama, jelas belajarnya jadi lebih susah karena harus belajar online. Namun, saya berterima kasih mempunyai QPC untuk membimbing saya melewati perjalanan belajar online saya. Saya sama sekali belum familiar dengan proses belajar online. Saya sangat perlu bimbingan dan saya berterima kasih akan adanya QPC di situ untuk membimbing saya. Nilai saya pun akhirnya berhasil kekejar. Nilai saya yang 60 menjadi nilai 80 dan nilai saya yang 80 menjadi nilai 90. Itu adalah mata pelajaran IPA tuh. Jadi selama proses belajar online ini akhirnya kekejar juga nilai saya. Itu in part sangat besar karena bimbingan Sir Jasper dan QPC. Setiap malam kami belajar bersama untuk mempersiapkan diri untuk esok pagi belajar online. Jadi nilainya aman selama belajar online ini di QPC. Semuanya aman dan bahkan lebih meningkat kalau di kasus saya. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Salam pelajar.
Okay, student, we go to question number 2. The object height is 1 centimeter. The object distance is 1 centimeter and the focal length is 2 centimeter. As we know that the convex lens is positive lens, so the value of f is positive. Listen, the value of f is positive. Okay, the question is find image distance, magnifying scale, and try to draw. Okay, so then we start calculating. The accent, d times f over d minus f. D is 1 centimeter times f 2 centimeter over 1 centimeter minus 2 centimeter. 1 centimeter times 2 centimeter over minus 1 centimeter. And so, you got minus 2 centimeter. Negative, this one is negative, means virtual. Yeah, it's virtual. Go to n. N is d f over d minus f. So, f 2 centimeter 1 centimeter minus 2 centimeter. So you got 2 centimeter over minus 1 centimeter. And so you got minus 2 times. Okay, so students, You got minus again. That's virtual. So the image form is number 1, virtual. Number 2, upright. Virtual must be upright. Number 3, increase in height. Okay. So what its accent? Image height. Image height, you can use the formula. M is H accent over H. M is minus 2. Minus 2 equal H accent over H, 1 centimeter. So H accent equal minus 2 centimeter. Okay? I think very clear, right? Now we go to drawing. How to draw, or the process of forming image height and image distance. Okay, the height is 1 centimeter and the distance is 1 centimeter. Distance is 1 centimeter, so means here. One centimeter, the distance. We have to count from object center of the line here, 1 centimeter, because focal length is 2 centimeter. Focal length 2 centimeter. So distance 1 centimeter is a half of distance of focal length. Now start drawing. The first rule: the ray that parallel to x-axis will be refracted to f2. That's number 1. And next, rule number 2. The ray passing through f1, listen student. The ray passing through f1, do you have any question? I think it is not possible. Why? Because the focal point is behind of the object. No refraction to the focal point if the focal point is behind the object. Cannot refraction. So because rule number 2 is not allowed, please use rule number 3. The ray passing through center must be image. Okay? Must be image. But there's no intersection. So how? Please extend the ray behind, at the back. Extend the ray to the back. So because we extend the ray to the back, so means the ray must be virtual. Okay, and this one is image, right? Here. Okay, yeah, my drawing is not good, but this is the process. You find the intersection, right? This is the intersection. Right? This is the intersection. So the image form is upright. Okay. The image form is virtual. Virtual. What? Look at our drawing. So by using the calculation and using drawing, that's same, right? So the image form is virtual because the dashed line. Upright, look at the head of the object head. This one, object head, same. So upright and increase in height. Increase in right. Increase in right. Okay, so that's it. It's clear? Okay, thank you very much. Number 3 questions. The number 3 is talking about concave lens. Listen and remember, concave lens is diverging lens or negative lens. Once again, concave lens is negative lens or diverging lens. Okay. The information is height of the object is 1 centimeter. The distant object is 5 centimeter and focal length is 2 centimeter. Listen, because the concave lens is diverging lens or negative lens, you have to put negative here. Okay? You have to put here negative. Okay? That's the characteristic of concave lens. The question is find the accent, find magnifying scale, and then try to draw. Let's go. Okay, the accent is d times f over d minus f. D is 5 centimeter. F is minus 2 centimeter. Minus 2 centimeter over 5 centimeter minus 2 centimeter. Clear? So, 5 centimeter times minus 2 centimeter over, this one is the positive, right? 7 centimeter. So you got minus 10 over 7 centimeter. Other one, this one is minus virtual. Right? Okay, go to M. Mf over d minus f. M equals f over d minus f. Okay, now insert f minus 2 centimeter. Then concave lens, f is negative. Then 5 centimeter minus 2 centimeter. Minus 2 centimeter over 7 centimeter. We got minus 2 over 7. Sorry, minus 2 over 7 times. Whoa! You got this one minus virtual. And m less than 1. So, reduce in height. Okay? M less than 1, reduce in height. Remember. Go! Now you start drawing. For 1, this is the concave lens. You have to put here negative. And focal length is 2. F1 to F1, F2, and 2F2. The length must be equal. The length of focal is must be equal. 2 centimeters. Now the distance is 5. So the distance is 5 is around here. 2 centimeter, 4. So around here, 5 centimeter. Right? The distance is around 5 centimeter. Okay. 5 centimeter. Distance 5 centimeter. Okay, try to draw the process of image form. Okay, go. The first. The ray that parallel to x-axis will be refracted from F1 from this one. Once again, the ray parallel to x-axis must be refracted from F1. Must be from F1. So different to convex lens. This one is concave. Yeah, from F1. That's number 1. And then rule number 2. The ray by center. The ray by center is image. The ray by center here. This one is the center. The ray by center is image. Okay? Okay, so we have a new intersection is here. This one is intersection, right? So because of the dashed line, so the image form is dashed or virtual. Okay, this one. The object, the image. The object, the image. The object, the image. So what about image form? Image form. The image form is number 1. Real, virtual. Virtual. Check the calculation. The accent is negative. Listen, number 1. The accent is negative. M is negative. Okay? So the image form is virtual. Number 2. Upright. Number 3. Reduce in height. Reduce in height. Reduce in height. Reduce in height. Okay? Okay, now we try to find H accent. M is H accent over H. M is minus over the H accent unknown, and H is 1 centimeter. So, H accent is minus 2 over 7 centimeter. Okay, minus 2 over 7. Okay, the height of object 1 centimeter, and the image height is minus 2 over 7. That's correct. Reduced in height. I think it's clear. Thank you very much. See you at the next one.